Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to print echo message in shell script with a custom color, with a custom foreground color to be exact. So it is really simple and all you need to do is follow my steps, and you can just copy paste this function and use it anywhere you want. So let's get started. The first thing is that we need to declare this function, so I will call it print colored message. This is a function, and in this function I will add a couple of variables. So first variable is message, which is parameter that will be passed to this function. So when we call it, we'll call it like this. You can see auto completion, print colored message, and this is some message, this is some text. So that we'll store that into this message to local variable. The next variable is color code, which I will declare here like 31. The next comment is exactly like this, so to put set AF color code. With this command we are setting the foreground color to this 31 color code. After that we will echo our message variable, and the last command is to reset SGR 0, so to reset color to the default one. Here you can change this number and the color will change. You can use 32, 33 and something like that. Okay, now I will save this. Inside my terminal I position myself to desktop because this test.sh file is at that location. So, and we will call it like sh test.sh. As you can see now, this is my custom message. It is on the color is different than default one. We can try to after that we can try to print something else. Again save, again call this, and as you can see after this function we reset the color to the default one, so something else is default one color. And as I said to you, you can change this color code to modify it to your needs. This is a slightly different blue color. That's it for this short video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.